He's a wonderful player. So far, Saki Mahmood has been... Three slips now. An attacking captain is Ben Stokes.
Well, the problem. The last gesture almost of resignation, saying no. Some give you constant feedback. Depends on the player. Did you like constant feedback, Easy?
No, I didn't actually. What I hated... was usually batting on the bowling machine, haven't... Second time he's done that, where it just closes the face on the drive.
Well, the #1 batter in the world is just short of runs, isn't he? Just wanted to impress on outswingers to Babar Azam. Get him to square up and nick it behind. He did that. First game and a Yorker. Very well bowled.
You mentioned earlier, just maybe at Lord's, certainly at Cardiff, he looked like he was across his stumps a bit more. He looks like he's given himself a bit more room.
For 1 from 9. Lovely. Good way to get off the mark. Overton just straying onto the pads. And Babar Azam, who's had to wait for his first runs, 15 balls it's taken him, but they've come confidently when they've arrived. Pulled away confidently by Babar Azam. That's his second boundary through the leg side. That's ball in hand, bat in hand. You are absolutely on your own. Well, he'll get into double figures with this flick. Just the how look.
Encouraging the drive from Babar Azam. It was just aerial for a little bit. He's hit the pitch. There.
Coming back to red ball cricket and test match cricket, he seemed to be well served with quicker bowlers. He got 100 for...
Oh, tight if he hits. Oh, I think he was struggling.
Is he in two minds which end? Would have been out. Just didn't get his balance. Riding course. It's a risky run. Thinks he's knocked it past him, but he's sharp. Oh, out.
Two slips. Gorgeous shot. That certainly came out in the middle of the bat. 50 partnership comes up in style.
We're just slightly over-pitched outside off stump. Confidence of a player to get onto the front foot. Pleasantly through extra cover. Get yourself in on this pitch. There's a stack of runs.
Flat batted hard, really hard, great shot. Long way in front of square.
I'm going to tell you again, this is a super shot.
into the attack.
Close.
Down.
Fascinating today, the two different styles. So you see these two batsmen are playing very much a more old-fashioned way, hitting some lovely shots, but they're waiting for the bad ball. And this is a pitch, actually, it looks so good. Not on low. I think that...
Then more now. Babar Azam 38, so a really good test for Parkinson. It's beaten mid-off. It was thrashed by Babar Azam, but mid-off is in the circle and just for a moment harboured hopes of getting across.
You do the opposite. Normally you'd have mid-on would be up, he'd be up in the circle, so you want him to hit against the spin.
Down.
Apart from that,
He'd say it's cricket.
you can tell actually what he's allowed. Stokes is obviously bowling now, but he's often just put Phil Salt in the hot seat. Backward point for the seamers, extra cover for the leg spinner.
Huge cheers from the Pakistan contingent in this ground. Their captain has got through to a half-century.
That's the thing about great players, they never stay out of form for long. A couple of tough games and now
Smashed away leg side, all the way for 6. That sounded sweet.
Beautiful shot. The real key here, Woody, is he picked up the change of pace so early. Just that off cutter changed his grip. Babar Azam saw it. He saw it a couple of times in the previous over as well. Just smacks it with contempt. Well in front of mid-wicket.
The catalyst has been Mohammed Rizwan. That is a glorious shot from Babar Azam, who is just starting to find his groove. Just got enough. Hit hard in the middle. Each way. You've got to get all of it. Hammered. Absolutely smashed into the leg side. That really is a shot of real authority.
Again, Babar Azam's been picking all variations from Gregory. Batter of the quality of Babar Azam. Can't really fool him with that. I understand, Woody, that they're trying to mix it up, you know, bowl a slower ball, but feed those two outfielders on the leg side. Teams from the sub here.
Well, there's a statement. Stokes is in that position, loitering. Sailed over his head, and they're going to check whether that's 6 or 4. That's a powerful shot again.
This is great proactive batting. A few singles changing the field. Skipper about to do it again if he can.
Go good, Parky. Go good, Parky, boy.
And beautifully executed.
Out.
Good day. Can't. Ooh. Millimetres away, I reckon. Oof. Close.
I'm talking about Yorkers, and Carter's ball one. Oh, that's beautifully bowled. His left.
Again, short, 4, again, excellent batting. The placement is perfect.
Quite at his best shot, but Babar Azam definitely at his best. Pulling it in front of square, being the key and finding the gaps, which he has done really well throughout his innings.
Babar Azam, 96 from 102. Back cut, beats deep cover, beats third man. What a fantastic 100 that has been from Babar Azam. There's not many that make batting look as easy as what he has done today. His 14th ODI century.
At the start, he was taking his time. It literally took him 15 balls to get his first run, and after that, he's not looked back. Some of the shots that he's played has been an absolute treat to watch. He's been a quality player for Pakistan over a period of time now, and undoubtedly the #1 batsman in the world right now. But the composure, the shot selection, and most importantly, his ability to deal with pressure up top was just brilliant to watch. You can see how much that meant to him. He's been under pressure a little bit for him. All the emotions coming out in that one shot.
There you go.
His first 50 coming of 72 balls, and the second one of 32.
Chance of a run out if he hits. Might have got. Out into the leg side, sounded like the bottom of the bat. Yeah, you absolutely. Is that going to race away? Long off, can't get there. Excellent over in the end for Pakistan. 248 for 2.
Not stopping that.
Tell you what, that has been such a strong shot for him today. Bowlers have dropped fractionally short. He's been quick onto the stroke. He's hit it really well. It's come right out of the middle.
Well, he's on for a career best here, Babar Azam. 2-5 is his best. No. Oh, down nearly. Oh, juicy full toss, slammed into mid-wicket.
Bryden Cast it is.
Good effort. He's got this, he's got this. All the way into the crowd, 6.
Fantastic. Floated up by Parkinson. He's motored on to 133 now, the Pakistan captain. And this is amongst his best shots. Ball. Fantastic.
You mentioned floated up, it's 45 miles an hour, so he's got ample time to get down the pitch. Give it the treatment.
The one that went for 6 was just a floated up leg spinner. That one's pushed a little bit quicker.
Last over for Overton. This should be taken. This should. Oh, it's. Oh my goodness me.
It's a slow ball squeezed out of the side of the hand by Overton. Babar at this point must have thought, I've gone, and he did. But he did it so badly, he got away with it.
That'll be 4. It doesn't come out of the over unscathed. 12 from it. 284 for 2. Oh, everyone's a winner. Bit of hot chocolate.
Well, it was in the slot, wasn't it? First ball was a decent Yorker from Bryden Cast. He was looking for the Yorker again, but missed his length to get under the ball. He has just nailed this over long on. It's a record partnership for any wicket.
Still there, Babar Azam. He's on 150.
What an innings this has been. Fabulous. Coming into the game, shorter runs, bit of a nervy time at the start, 14 balls to get off the mark. Totally dominant since.
Final over. It's a terrific start for Babar Azam.
Yeah, on that short, he's probably expecting the short ball. It's actually that short from Bryden Cast, but got a tremendous amount. Didn't have that far to go.
Up in the air. Barry Milan. Well, that's been super. One of the great innings. 158.
Yeah, rightfully, Edgbaston stands to Pakistan's captain. It's been a fabulous exhibition of stroke play. Lifted his side to 328 with 4 balls to go. Magnificent 158. He'll feel a lot better now.
Well, a great ovation from this Edgbaston crowd.